This is actually the first cabin built here on this site. Again, the center of the universe. You actually found it too big to heat during the winter, but it is a nice spot. You can look out to the lake right down the hill there, and it's actually a beautiful cabin even after all these years. So let's go on in. Coming in. This was, as I said, the first cabin. Pretty interesting. This here was a refrigerator. What it is a wooden box that even now as I do this, it comes up. There's rope. This went down into the ground where obviously the temperature was more moderate than it would be up here. So he could put his perishables in there, crank it down. Then when he wanted something, just crank it back up and get out what he wanted. I think this was the top to his refrigerator. And stove, sink. Notice the floor are logs. They're put into sand. I believe they had help from First Nation or Native people in doing a lot of this work. This here is actually the second cabin that was built here, as I understand it. In here is probably the best shape of any of the cabins. You see the remains of an old spinning wheel and a Singer sewing machine, a bed. It's a nice window to watch the snow fall. Standing here in front of Wendell Beckwith's third cabin here on the property, which is sitting on Best Island in Wabakimi Provincial Park. Here inside the cabin, the third cabin, is Wendell's bed. And now sitting on the bed, we can see his work desk where he conducted his pure research. Nice window there in front of the desk. Over on the left side is his kitchen cabinets. Still has his cups and so on there. And on the right side, a workbench, which still has a few tools on top. And in the drawer, this was sort of a berm cabin. And up above was some more window to bring light in. So that is the end of the tour of Wendell Beckwith, Center of the Universe.